Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good at home. Due to this pandemic, we are facing lots of problem. We have to stay at home only. Cases are rising very tremendously. So you people have to take care. Always use sanitizer, masks, even wash your hands properly. And whoever the person they are coming from outside, just tell them to take out your clothes, keep it aside, and whatever the instructions given by WHO and our government, follow it. It's very necessary. So students, today we are going to start our new lesson, new chapter, chapter number 5, acids, bases and salts. On the basis of the chemical nature of substances, substances can be divided into three types: acids, bases and salts. So let us learn about these substances in detail. First of all, we will discuss about the acidic substances. Substances that contain acid are called acidic substances. Acid is sour in taste. So the substances which is having the sour in taste, that substances are called acidic substances. Acid are of two types on the basis of their origin, from where they are introduced. Acids are divided into two types. First one is the organic acid and the second one is the synthetic acid or mineral acid. So the first organic acid, it is completely natural. What is meant by organic acid? The acids which are found in plants and animals are called organic acids. Example of these acids are citric acid, lactic acid, ascorbic acid. These are the example of organic acid. These acids are completely natural. Now we will move towards mineral acid. What is meant by mineral acid? So the acids prepare in laboratory. It is synthesized by human being in laboratory of the earth are called mineral acids. They are human made acids. And example of mineral acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. These acids are strong and corrosive in nature. They are highly corrosive. What is meant by corrosive? Corrosive means if we expose our body organ or metals, any substance to the strong acids, these acids are make dissolve that particular substance in them. So if I want to tell you in Hindi, तो ये वो जो कोई सब्सटेंस उनको एक्सपोज किया है, वो सब्सटेंस को स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली वो क्या करते हैं, खा जाते हैं, उसको धीरे धीरे उसको खुद में डिजोल्व कर लेते हैं. सो इन अदर वे वी कैन से कि वो उसको खा जाते हैं. दैट इज corrosive in nature. So you can imagine if our body part, if I'll expose my finger for that particular that mineral acid, so slowly and gradually it will dissolve, it will eat my finger part in that particular acid. You might have heard about the acid attack, students. Actually the girls who are victim for in such cases, they have faced lots of problem. You have seen might be lots of girls and it is done by due to this mineral acid. Generally the students generally the person who is using for it, that is sulfuric acid. Now organic acids are weak acids and are safe to consume. What I said, organic means it's natural, found in plants, animals. So according to strength, they are weak. While mineral acids are strong, as I said, mineral acids are strong and are highly corrosive in nature. So on the basis of strength, On the basis of strength, acids can classified again into two types, that is strong acid and dilute acid. You can say dilute means nothing but a weak, and strong acid means it has the higher concentration of acid comparatively water, and dilute means it has the less proportion of acid comparatively water. So strong acids are mineral acids and weak or dilute acids are organic acids. Now we will discuss about the organic acids. They are found in different fruits or plants. So which type of acids are which acids are present? Okay. When we are discussing about the amla or citrus food, they contain the acid ascorbic acid. Citrus fruits like lemon, oranges, they contain citric acid. Curd, you know, curd, it has lactobacillus bacteria and the acid present is lactic acid. Tamarind, grapes, they contain tartaric acid. Vinegar, most of the students, I think, they like their favorite food is Chinese food, and vinegar is always used to preparation of this food. So what is meant by vinegar? Vinegar is nothing but a acetic acid. Then tomato, spinach, these are contain oxalic acid. Apples, which type of acid? Malic acid. Tea, tannic acid. Then sugarcane juice, it contain glycolic acid. So different fruits, then vegetables contain different types of acids, but that all acids are organic acids. Now we will move towards the properties of acids. What are the properties of acids? So first property, as I said, acids are sour in taste. Sour means खट्टा. मैंने example क्या दिया है this acids का? Lemon you can take example. So खट्टा जो होता है that is acid. Then corrosive in nature. I have explained already, corrosive in nature and soluble in water. Just like if you can take 1 teaspoon of sugar and a glass of water and just pour it that sugar in that glass and stir it, it will dissolve. Just like this, acids are soluble in water. So these are the properties of acids. They are sour in taste, corrosive in nature and soluble in water. Now we will discuss uses of some mineral acids. Examples, as I said, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these are the examples of mineral acids. So now hydrochloric acid, what are the uses of hydrochloric acid? So you will surprise, these mineral acids are also useful in our day-to-day life, but we have to use it very wisely so it will not harmful to us. Understood, students? So what are the uses of hydrochloric acid? It is used for cleaning sanitary ware. So whatever the chemicals, whatever the brand name that particular you are using for sanitary cleaning, so it includes hydrochloric acid. Then purification of common salt. We are getting salt from the ocean bodies, so that ocean bodies are giving us salts which are in the raw form. So the purification of salt is needed over there, and hydrochloric acid is used for this purification. Then manufacture of paints and detergents. Detergents basically contain base, but in some extent hydrochloric acids are used for the preparation of paints and detergents. Now we will move towards the next mineral acid, and that is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid has the chemical formula H2SO4. HCl has chemical formula HCl. So sulfuric acid, it is called the king of all chemicals. So it is important industrial chemical, you know, students. So it is used in car batteries. You might have heard from your parents, mostly father, because in batteries sulfuric acids are used. It is used to produce fertilizers. Fertilizers you will have in next year in 8th class. So fertilizers are the nutrient rich substance, chemical. For this preparation of this fertilizer, sulfuric acids are used. Now we will move towards the next mineral acid, that is nitric acid. It has the chemical formula HNO3. So it is used to manufacture explosive like trinitrotoluene and nitroglycerin. You can take the examples of crackers we are using when the festival of Diwali. So this nitric acids are used for preparation for making of that explosive material, just like crackers. It is used by one more very good application use of this nitric acid is goldsmiths are using this nitric acid for the cleaning of ornaments which is made up of gold and silver. Now we will talk about the acetic acid. Our next mineral acid is acetic acid. It has the chemical formula, student, CH3COOH. This is the acetic acid. It is used as vinegar. So vinegar means nothing but a acetic acid. It has the role to enhance the flavor of food, as I said, Chinese food. Then it is used as a cleaning agent also. So this is the second use. It used as a cleaning agent to clean floors, then utensils, etc. It is used to remove stains on carpet and woodwork. Then it is used as preservatives in pickles. You can discuss with your mother, you can ask your mother. This vinegar is used when your mother or the people who are making the pickles, they are using this vinegar or acetic acid as a preservatives. So very soon or a very short time period, it will not spoil. Now students, this was the acid what we have discussed in that topic. What is meant by acid, then what are the types of acid, what are the example of that particular acids, properties of acids, then uses of that acids, that one we have done. Okay, now we will move towards our next topic, that is basic substances. When we are discussing this basic substances, before that I want to tell you students, acids and bases, they are not completely but almost they are opposite to each other. If properties of acids are in this way, the properties of bases are in this way, means they are almost opposite to each other. You will have the that concept pH. So in that format, 1 to 7 pH showing substances are 1 to 6 that are called as acids, and the substances which are showing the pH more than 7 up to 14, that substances are called as bases actually. So there are some substances that are bitter in taste. In acids we have seen that it was sour. Sour means खट्टा था, acid में खट्टा था, and bitter means कैसा है, कड़वा. Bitter means कैसा है, कड़वा है in taste, and soapy to touch. When all people are having this experience, we are using the soap solution, and nowadays it's must, you know. So when we are using the soap solution, it has the soapy, थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट सा ऐसा होता है, चिकना जो बोलते हैं इन हिंदी. यस आई गॉट प्रॉपर वर्ड. तो वो चिकनाहट जो होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सोपी टू टच. तो कैसा है, एक तो कड़वा हो सकता है, एंड अलॉन्ग विथ दैट बिटर टेस्ट इट इज़ उसका टच जो है, सोपी टच मीन्स चिकना होता है जो हाथ में ऐसा होता है. दिस सब्सटेंसेस आर कॉल्ड एज बेसिस. सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बेसिस आर सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. Sodium hydroxide means NaOH. Potassium hydroxide KOH. Then one more example, calcium hydroxide CaOH2. So these are the examples of bases. Bases are used to manufacture a number of products that we use in our daily life. So just like acids, bases are also very useful for the our daily life. Whatever the things we are using, it is also made up of bases. The most probably use the base is the soap solution. So these are made up of NaOH or KOH. The substances that contain bases are called basic substances. Very easy. The substances which contain bases are called as basic substances. Bases can be strong or weak, just like acids. Strong bases like caustic soda. So example of strong bases are caustic soda and potassium hydroxide are very corrosive in nature, just like acids. Strong bases are also corrosive in nature. Then weak bases like copper hydroxide and zinc hydroxide are not corrosive in nature because they are weak. मीन्स बेसिसिटी, दैट स्ट्रेंथ, कंटेंट, इसमें बेस कम है, स्ट्रॉन्ग में क्या रहेगा, बेस का स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा रहेगा, सो दैट्स वाई दैट इज करोसिव इन नेचर. एंड वीक बेसिस जो है इसमें वो जो बेस का कंसंट्रेशन है वो थोड़ा कम रहेगा, सो दैट इज नॉट करोसिव इन नेचर. Now we will discuss about the students properties of bases. What are the properties of bases? Bases are bitter in taste, कड़वा है. Bases are soapy to touch, चिकना है, उस वो हाथ में कैसे हो जाता है, सॉफ्ट और निकलता नहीं है, दैट इज सोपी टू टच. बेसिस मे और मे नॉट बी सोल्यूबल इन वाटर. एसिड्स टोटली दे आर सोल्यूबल इन वाटर, बट बेसिस में कुछ सोल्यूबल हो सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं हो सकते हैं. दोज बेसिस दे आर सोल्यूबल इन वाटर, दे आर कॉल्ड एज अल्कलीज. Okay, so bases that dissolve in water are called alkalis. For example, sodium hydroxide. I'll show you, if our school will start, students, I'll show you how the sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water. Right now we people are also not going in school, so it is not easy to show you the experiment. The calcium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide are the alkalis. Now uses of bases. What are the uses? Bases like calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide are used to neutralize soil. So you will ask me, you will have the question, students, ये क्या है, what is meant by neutralize, and ये क्यों यूज करने जा रहे हैं. न्यूट्रलाइज मीन्स क्या, न्यूट्रल. न्यूट्रल मीन्स उसको हम ऐसे बोलते हैं, वी कैन से स्थिर, जिसमें कोई चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, उसको जनरली वी आर यूजिंग द टर्म न्यूट्रल. इफ आई एक्सप्लेन विद इन दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि नेचर कैसा है, कोई जो होता है हाईली रिएक्टिव, कोई जो होता है वेरी क्वाइट, उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं आता है, कोई है जो हाईली रिएक्टिव होता है, इमीडिएट. सो ये जो न्यूट्रल जो है, न्यूट्रल क्या होता है, जनरली द सब्सटेंसेस विच इज हैविंग द pH 7, जिसका pH 7 होता है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ 7, सच सब्सटेंसेस आर कॉल्ड एज न्यूट्रल. वो एसिडिक भी नहीं है, बेसिक भी नहीं है, वो बीच में है बिल्कुल, उसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं होने वाला है, दैट आर न्यूट्रल. तो ये बेसिस क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं, न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए. और कौन कर रहा है, सॉइल के लिए कर रहा है. सो सॉइल के लिए कर रहा है, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द फार्मर्स आर यूजिंग दिस बेसिस. एंड व्हाई दे आर यूजिंग, ड्यू टू यूज ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज more use of fertilizers, the soil become more acidic. When the soil become more acidic, it become infertile. उसमें आप क्रॉप नहीं ले सकते, आएगा ही नहीं, उसमें से क्रॉप नहीं आएगा. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक द सॉइल न्यूट्रल. उसको उसका एसिडिटी कम करना पड़ेगा. एसिडिटी ज़्यादा हुई है, सो क्या करना पड़ेगा, यू आर सपोज टू ऐड द बेसिस. उसमें आप बेस ऐड करोगे, उसका एसिडिटी जो है, सॉइल का एसिडिटी जो है, डेफिनेटली इट विल रिड्यूस एंड इट विल बिकम न्यूट्रल. Until it will not become neutral, we are supposed to add the bases. So this is the first use of base. Sodium hydroxide is used in the preparation of soaps. This should be, you have to keep in mind. So sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are the two bases which are used for the preparation of soaps. Then magnesium hydroxide is used in antacids. So what is meant by antacids? You will have the question, madam, ये antacid क्या है? So most of the time we are using, we are having the meal which is spicy, students. When we had the more spicy food, even we are not having our meal on the proper time, तो क्या हो जाता है, in our body, in our stomach, HCl, small amount of HCl is secreted. एंड ये किसके लिए होता है, इट इज़ फॉर द वो जो हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया वी हैव टेकन अलॉन्ग विथ अवर फूड के साथ जो अंदर चला गया, टू किल दैट हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया our body, our stomach is producing little amount of HCl, which is good for this digestion. But when we have lots of spicy meal, then we have not done or ate our food properly on the time, what happened in our stomach, ज़्यादा HCl is getting secret and we suffer from the problem of acidity. वो जो acidity का problem हमें होता है, in such a case what to do now? We are used to have the antacids. हम क्या करते हैं, टैबलेट लेते हैं, उसे antacids बोलते हैं, and that antacids are made up of magnesium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide is the base. एसिड ज़्यादा हो गया, बेस हमने ले लिया, वी हैव टेकन, तो एसिड एंड बेस मिल के वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, न्यूट्रलाइजेशन, दैट इज यूजफुल, दैट इज नीडफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी. Sodium hydroxide is used in manufacturing cleaning solutions also. As I see कि उसमें भी था, सोप में भी आर यूजिंग, एंड ऑल्सो क्लीनिंग सोल्यूशंस में भी हम यूज़ करते हैं इन पेपर इंडस्ट्री and many other industries also. So these were the uses of bases. Now we will see bases and substances in which they are used. Sodium hydroxide, soap, ammonium hydroxide, window cleaning solution में ammonium hydroxide, then calcium hydroxide in lime water, that is lime water, potassium hydroxide also in soap, then magnesium hydroxide, that is milk of magnesia, वो एंटासिड के टैबलेट्स में यूज़ किया जाता है. Now students, we will discuss about it was the discussion of bases, as like acids we have seen bases also. Now we will move towards our next topic, that is neutral substances. I hope you understood the topic acids and bases. So this is neutral substances. What as I said, neutral means क्या, उसमें acidity भी नहीं है, basicity भी नहीं है, उसका pH 7 है, neutral, constant. So the substances that are neither acidic or basic in nature, like distilled water has the exact pH 7 and वो neutral होता है. Sugar, जो sugar we are using, that is also neutral substance, means that is that is neither acidic nor basic, that is neutral. Urea, then glucose, these are the example of neutral substances, as you can see on your screen, students. Now we will move towards our next topic, that is indicators. ये indicators क्या होता है, indicate करना, let me indicate, ऐसे indicator, मुझे इशारा देना है ना, indicate करो means क्या, मुझे इशारा दे दो. तो the word itself tells us what is meant by indicator. It is not safe to test things without knowing what they are. अब कुछ भी है, हमें ऐसे खा के नहीं देखना है, उसको टच करके नहीं देखना है. क्यों नहीं करना है भाई? Because अगर if that is mineral acids or mineral bases or bases, just like strong base है या mineral acid है, means sulfuric acid, it may be sulfuric acid, HCl or nitric acid. आप जाके उसको ऐसे टच करोगे तो definitely your body will burn. आप ऐसे उसको टेस्ट करोगे, your tongue will burn. So that is very harmful. हम ऐसे किसी भी चीज़ को हमें नहीं चेक करना है, either it is acidic or basic. तो what we are supposed to do? So then how to do? We know whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. For this purpose we use indicator. So indicator का तो अलग ही swag है. क्या करता है ये just like उसका important, it plays important role. Just like umpire, cricket के टीम में अगर हम लेंगे रोल, umpire का होता है कि that umpire is telling us कि ये wicket गया है, क्या हुआ है, what are the decisions, and whatever the stuff is there, it is solved by the authentic person. That authentic person is umpire. Same indicator is the authentic person. which can tell us whether the given substance is acidic, basic, or neutral. So indicators are the substances that are used to test the acidic and basic nature of substances. They show a change in color on coming with such substances. You will have the diagram on your screen. I think this is the flower of hibiscus. It is called as China rose. Some indicator that are prepared from flowers, China rose. रूट्स किसके यूज़ किए जाते हैं? बीट रूट के रूट्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं. देन स्टेम्स, किसका स्टेम यूज़ किया गया है? टर्मरिक, वो स्टेम से मिला है हमें. एंड लीव्स, किसके लीव्स हमें एज इंडिकेटर यूज़ करना है? रेड कैबेज यू कैन टेक. सो of plants are called natural indicators. These all are the examples of natural indicators. These indicators can be prepared from the colored parts of the plants by boiling them in water for some time and straining them. The solution obtained will also be colored, and such solutions you can use as a indicator. There are some indicators which can be prepared in laboratory. So as I said, natural we get from nature से मिला है. हमने थोड़ा बहुत उसमें कुछ उसको बॉईल किया, उसका स्ट्रेनिंग किया, and we got the indicator. That is natural indicator. But completely, if we synthesize in laboratory, such indicators are called as synthetic indicator or man-made indicator. These are some indicators can be prepared in laboratory by using dyes and some chemicals, some chemicals. These are called synthetic indicator. Example, methyl orange. I have this bottle I brought for you students. This is the bottle of methyl orange. You will have then phenolphthalein solution. This is the bottle of phenolphthalein solution. You will have on the screen also. Now let us study some indicators. Litmus. I want to show you, my dear students. This is actually pH paper. I have this litmus paper, starch iodide. These are the blue litmus paper. I have a red litmus paper also. Okay, so litmus red I'm having in this box. These are the red litmus paper. Okay. Litmus is the most common indicator used in laboratory. Okay, it is extracted from lichen. Lichen is a plant and it's available in the forms of strips of paper. Strips of paper. These are the strips of paper. Oh my God, these are the strips of paper. Okay, or in the form of solution. Litmus paper is either red in color, okay, or it is red in color or blue in color. Blue litmus paper turns red in acidic medium, and this red litmus paper turns blue in basic medium. Now we will move towards the next indicator, that is turmeric. The common method as we have discussed, turmeric में क्या करना है? What is meant by turmeric? Of course, haldi. Everyone know about it. This turmeric has very high medicinal values. You are supposed to use it with your open arm in your food, in your diet. Haldi wala doodh, Now we are facing the pandemic due to this COVID-19, and all students might have the idea about this haldi wala doodh. Haldi wala doodh piyoge to your immunity will boost up. So it has lots of medicinal value. ये जब हम अंदर लेते हैं तो suppose in our inner body में कुछ भी उन्स है, इंजोरी है, कुछ भी है, तो वो automatic this natural substance will recover. So I'm always giving instruction to my children. They have to drink this haldi wala doodh, and I'm giving you suggestion, my dear students, you should have. Okay, Now we will discuss about this turmeric. Turmeric or haldi is used an indicator in the form of turmeric paper. Turmeric paper can be made by mixing turmeric powder in a little amount of water to make a paste. This paste should be applied on filter paper, blotting paper also. So just like in our next video, I'll show you how to use it. This is filter paper and on a filter paper and left to dry. इसको छोड़ देना है ऐसे ही dry होने के लिए. The strips of this paper can be used to check the acidic or basic nature of solution. In a basic medium, the turmeric paper turns reddish brown. अगर मीडियम कैसा है, बेसिक है तो क्या हो जाएगा, रेडिश हो जाएगा ये टर्मरिक पेपर. आई विल शो यू विथ एक्टिविटी स्टूडेंट्स. आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट टेल यू. In an acidic or neutral medium, there is no change in its color. I want to elaborate this one with one example. आप लोग कुछ खा रहे हैं, ग्रेवी अगर गिर गई आपके शर्ट पे, सो ग्रेवी में जनरली मम्मी इज़ यूजिंग टर्मरिक यूज़ कर रही है, और उसके वेरी नेक्स्ट डे अगर मम्मी ने सोप से इसको वॉश कर लिया तो सोप इज़ हैविंग द बेसिक मीडियम, तो क्या हो जाएगा, वो रेड कलर में